So let's put this on here. Okay, so we got our vase. We'll do this on a pop-up dot, but I'm going to lay it down so I can see where I want everything. You can always go back with a marker. These are Copic, and you can even color more if you want the middles or anything else. So it's kind of up to you. So here's the little arrangement. So we can do either a combination of them, or we can do all of the same flowers like this. Maybe one in the background there. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's lay them down like that. Do one a little bit lower, and maybe even have it fold to the side a little. Okay. Get them all to fit into my little vase. And here's the little card. What do you think? You guys like it? Sorry about the shadow. It's just the shadow. So here's an arrangement. You can add any words to it. You can give it for any occasion. And that's the little card. You can do a combination. See how the blue looks beautiful in the background? I love that. You can do a combination of the different flowers. You can do, let's leave one and do the different ones. We can add our little green piece to it, like that. And then do maybe a couple of lilies on here, just like that, on both sides. And then put it in a vase, like that. Maybe a little higher, so just like that. How about that? Or have them pull out a little more to the side, like this. You can do a different kind of vase, or you can pull this up all the way higher so it really stands out, the green, and then put the lily back in there. It's totally up to you how you want this little card arranged. Or you can do the little purple one in there. Add the little purple in the background, like that. I mean, you totally have options. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. Don't forget to subscribe and visit my lilyoftheval77.etsy.com. That's lilyoftheval77.etsy.com. And you can purchase all of these great handmade cards made by me and share with your friends if you like them. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.